Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. So today, you guys are going to be opening the FABFITFUN box with me, and this is the fall box. This is probably one of my most favorite boxes to get, probably because it's my most favorite season. Do I love Christmas? Absolutely. But there's just something about fall. I guess because it's like the beginning. It's the beginning of all the fun seasons. You know what I mean? So I'm super excited to be a partner with FABFITFUN. I've been doing these videos for over a year now, and I absolutely love the boxes, love the subscription service. It is everything. So I do have a code that you can use to get $10 off of your first box. You can check all of that information out down below. I have the link, the code, all the goodies so that you can easily shop these boxes. These are like $200 to $400 worth of stuff that you're getting each month for 50 bucks. Your first box, like I said, $10 off, so it'll be even less. But we are going to open this together. Where did I put my knife? Before we get started, leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite thing? Favorite product that you use during the fall season? I love things. I love products. I love testing things out, and especially things that I use for like a specific time of the year. So leave your comments, your recommendations, suggestions down below. Although we are opening this fall box, it is still very much so summer outside, and I am just hoping and praying that I'm just going to open this box and a gust of cool wind is going to float in from the north. I am almost 33 weeks pregnant, and the hot is hotter for me. So I know everybody's hot, but I'm like extra hot and extra uncomfortable. So I'm hoping there's something in this box that's just gonna give me life for fall. So let's, we got high hopes here. High hopes. Every season I comment on the boxes because I just think they're super cute. This one looks like totally different, I think, from all of the other boxes. You always get like coupon-y kind of stuff in the top and like a magazine catalog thing, and this is just like a breakdown of all of the things that are inside the box or that could possibly be inside of the box. Something that I like about the boxes now that they just started here recently is you are able to pick some of the items that go in there. So everything is not a complete surprise to you. A lot of the categories that you can actually choose from now, you'll be able to pick exactly the item that you wanted, which I think is super, super neat. So that's like my new favorite thing about them. So this says that the box total value can be anywhere from $211 to $346. Like I said, you get a bunch of stuff for the low. And a lot of times, and a lot of times there's going to be things in here that maybe you won't use, but there are a lot of things that you will, and those big ticket items will end up costing more if you were to buy them like out somewhere, if you bought them separately rather than buying this whole box. And then if there's some things in here that you don't like or things that you know you won't use, you can always gift those items. So I really feel like you're getting your money's worth, especially because you can pick some stuff now. So I think that's just even, that makes the box even better. So I have not looked in here. Y'all see me cut the box open. So sometimes I already peek and kind of know what's in it, but I wanted to open it with y'all. So let's do this first. Ooh, Kate Spade. I think I picked this, but I don't remember. That's another thing. I picked the stuff so early, and by the time I get it, I've completely forgot what I picked. So it's still a surprise. But this Kate Spade, what is this? Kate Spade lunch tote is normally $30. This is a lunch tote. This is kind of small for, I don't know if I'd call this a lunch tote. It says out to lunch on it. This looks more like a makeup bag to me. I do really love the bag, but as far as it being a lunch bag, I don't know about all that. I mean, you could put maybe, you might could put like 6 canned drinks in there. I ain't gonna say that you can't use that as a lunch bag. I'm not gonna say that, but that's kind of small. I will say I love, it almost looks like burlap. Like it even sort of has like the texture kind of, it doesn't feel like burlap. It has that like lunchboxy kind of plastic feel, and it's got those cute little black polka dots with the gold hardware. It is very cute. I mean, I don't have to leave and go anywhere for lunch, but this might come in handy with baby because it is a really good size, and if I need to keep something cool I could put it in there. Hadn't thought about that. All right, these next thingamabobbers are earrings from Baublebar. If y'all know Baublebar, their stuff's kind of expensive. These earrings are normally $34. And these are ear crawlers. Did I already say that? Pregnancy braid is real. I don't have any ear crawlers. I don't even know how to wear ear crawlers, but these are really cute. And I think I might end up wearing these to my baby shower or something. We're gonna see how they look on my ears. But I mean, I know for a fact that Baublebar stuff is pretty expensive. So there you go. Two items you've already paid yourself back from what you spent on the box. See something that I love and use all of the time, and that is this Aveda damage remedy. Y'all, I use this all the time. I have done videos about hair care here. I've done videos with Aveda before. I have worked in an Aveda salon. If you did not know, I am a licensed cosmetologist, and the last salon that I actually worked in was an Aveda concept salon, and I fell over the moon in love with Aveda products. Absolutely love them, and this Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair is at the top of the list of favorite products. And this stuff ain't cheap. I know it's not cheap. I want to see exactly how much it costs. I'm hoping. Where's it at in here? This is normally $30. So this is going to help protect your hair from heat damage. You put this on anytime you wash and, you know, shampoo all your hair and all your routine or whatever. But this stuff makes a huge difference. If nothing else, this right here makes this box worth it. That's $30 for this bottle. It will last you a good while. I love. What is this? This is a Deep Relax roller ball. I'm all about some relaxing, y'all, especially this stage in my life. And I'm assuming there's essential oils in this, and that makes me love it even more. This is normally $29, and it says it has vetiver. I think I'm saying that oil right. Chamomile and sandalwood. We gotta smell this. Cute little periwinkle box. It's in a glass bottle with a really cute gold lid. Ooh. And it smells wonderful. I'm not going to put this on just yet because I want to check and make sure that those essential oils are safe for pregnancy. So I'm going to be careful before I put it on and somebody try to attack me and say, no, don't put this on. So, but it smells amazing. This actually kind of reminds me of Aveda. Like the smell, if you've ever smelled Aveda stuff, y'all, it is like nothing else you've ever smelled. It is amazing. A lot of their stuff is like naturally derived, and it's just their salon smell, just incredible. So this reminds me of Aveda, like a whole lot. So I would imagine you could put this behind your ears, on your wrists, or maybe roll some in your hand and take a couple deep breaths. Ooh, I'm excited. I really want to try it out. How much did I say that one was? That was $29. Love it. Next up we have, yes, something else that I need and use and love. This is a hair towel, and I don't use just any towel. Either I use a t-shirt or I use one of these like hair towels. I don't know. I was gonna try to come up with another word, but I can't think of another word. But they're like specifically made for your hair. So they use like a different material rather than a towel that you would dry your body with, because those can really just like strip your hair of all its natural oils, and it can cause it to be frizzy. So I try to stay away from, you know, normal towels as much as possible. So this right here is normally $18. This is the After Spa. Not going to open it because I want to keep it in its nice little package, but if you guys have ever seen me like a shower routine video or hair care, you've seen me wrap my hair up in towels like these. Mine that I have is actually pink, so I'm living, breathing for the pink. Love, 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 love these towels. I see something fun that I'm like really interested in. So this is exfoliating sugar cubes. Y'all, fun fact, I love to exfoliate, like love it. Love exfoliating, especially when it has a really good hydrating oil mixed into your exfoliator. Oh my gosh, it's like killing two birds with one stone. You're getting rid of all of that dry, dead skin, and you're just moisturizing the heck out of your skin. I love it. And especially because fall and winter's coming, I like to go ahead and be extra. And because I'm pregnant, I like exfoliate pretty good every time I get in the shower, especially my belly and my thighs and stuff, because everything's growing and stretching. I think it's just, it's not only therapeutic, but your skin will thank you. So this stuff right here is from Harper and Airy. Let's see how much you are. These are normally $16. Now I ain't never seen them in like cubes like this. I'm not really sure. It says take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage. Ooh, so you use a solid cube and you use that in your hand. Okay. Recommended use is twice a week or whenever you need it. Ooh, let's smell them. Oh man, they don't smell like fall. I was expecting, well, they're green, so I kind of weren't expecting them to smell like fall, but because it's in a fall box, it would have been nice if they had like a fall-y kind of scent. But they have a real fresh, fruity, clean scent. They do have a little bit of like a spa, kind of cucumber kind of vibe, but it's like really fruity. I can't wait. I'm gonna try this as the next time I wash. Like I said, these were 16. Love all the exfoliating. Body souffle. Anything that has souffle in it just sounds automatically like way more fancy than just lotion. You know what I mean? So this stuff right here is normally 18 bucks. And oh man, we're opening you. Like what's the easiest way to open you? Ooh, that smells very fresh and clean. Is this got a smell? I don't even know if it has a smell to it. Like a scent. I mean, it just has a very fresh, clean scent. It says it's naturally derived, vegan and cruelty free. It doesn't have a whole lot of ingredients in it. It says there's no animal testing. It's suitable for vegans, ethically sourced, paraben free, super moisturizing, soft to the touch. It says it's a 2-in-1 light, fluffy body souffle, quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized. I'm excited to exfoliate and throw this on and just see how my body's feeling. Okay, last but certainly not least, I've been looking at this the whole time because it's just been sitting here, but I wanted to save it for last because it's just beautiful. And I'm pretty sure it's going to go in this room. This is a plush ultra soft plaid scarf. Yes, you can definitely wear this obviously as a scarf because that's what it is, but I like decorating with scarves, and this right here was good $75. I wouldn't pay $75 for a scarf. Are y'all crazy? If that's the case, then you really get your money's worth if this scarf is $75. You ain't got to get nothing else in this box and you've already made your money. 75. I mean, it does feel good. It does feel really good, and it's not shedding. You know what I mean? I had this scarf that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's like a blanket scarf. Love it. I mean, the colors are absolutely beautiful. It screams fall. So when we went to New York a couple years ago, it was freezing. We were not used to that whatsoever. So I had that blanket scarf because I kind of use it on the plane as a blanket and you know, as a scarf. So it was serving dual purposes. Well, I ended up kind of wrapping it around my neck like 100 times and around my face. And as the wind blew that cold air, I was eating yarn or like fuzz off of that scarf, and it drove me insane. So I will say, this scarf will not do that because you can like pull on that scarf from Hobby Lobby and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's like a light fuzz, if that makes sense. This is not like that at all. So I'm assuming they're totally different fabrics, which is why this one costs $75. But $75 is crazy. But totally obsessed with the navy, especially this time of year. I just love it. This does feel like a really nice scarf. Would it look nice on? Absolutely. But I'm just imagining how bomb it would look draped on the couch or falling out of a basket or propped up on a blanket ladder. I'm thinking of like decorating with it. But either way, you can use it for so many different things. This is a very nice scarf. $75? I don't know. But very nice scarf. Well guys, that is it for this FabFitFun fall unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave those comments that I asked about in the beginning of the video. Leave those recommendations down below so that I can check them out when this video goes live for y'all. And yeah, hope y'all subscribe to the family if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye. Maybe this box will help me channel all the fall vibes, because it's hot. I think I smelled them too hard. What is this? Why are you so obsessed with me? Shoo shoo fly fly. No no. Shoo shoo fly fly. Shoo shoo fly fly. Fly away. Go in that direction. You're not getting mama's exfoliating scrub. You might as well get away from here, honey. I mean, you stink a little bit, so you might need to be exfoliated, but you ain't getting this.